Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. I don't like saying Happy Holidays, it's just too generic. Whatever holiday you celebrate, hope you had a great one. So here it is, the weekend after Christmas. New Year's is approaching, and it's time to get a little bit of work done. So today we're going to be installing some disc brakes on the 73, and yeah, definitely need to up the stopping game, especially with the hitch on the back and trying to pull my little boat. Definitely needs to stop a little better. I would feel much safer. So with that, I'll flip you around and show you what this Empi kit has. Alright, so here's what comes in the front disc brake kit. You got a set of loaded calipers. These brackets here bolt on where your backing plate was, and it uses the existing spindles. My spindles are in a really good shape, so no need to change them out. There we go with the other loaded caliper. Nice thing about these, even though they're empty, is you got dual bleeders on them, which makes it much easier to get all the air out. And then your front rotors. Does use the same existing lug bolts to hold your wheel on. Uses the same bearings and races, grease seal. So we'll get started, see how much I get on film today. Alright, I got one side down, one side to go. Uses existing bearings, races, and brake hoses, which are all pretty new on mine, so that's not too bad. Let's see if I can get a light in there. Bracket just goes on there, torques down, and yeah. So far so good. Let's see if we can get the other side. Alright guys, so that's it. Now it's just a matter of taking the bearings out of the old drum and sticking them into the new rotor. Again, those are pretty much brand new bearings and races, so no need to go out and buy new ones. Anyway, so that's the gist of it. I got somebody pulling up, so we'll get back to it here shortly. Alright, well, bearings and races went in, calipers on, but I'm at a standstill. My about a year-old brake hose, I don't know if you can see that or not, worn through. So I can't make it down to the parts store today. So looks like it'll be sitting for a couple days until I can go down and get a new brake hose. Yeah, the way it goes. What do you do? Anyway, we'll probably go ahead and get this one posted up and then do another one on the other brake hose. Then again, how many brake hoses can you see changed, right? Anyway, y'all have a good one.